By 1914, Podrick H. Pierce, the poet and revolutionary, had forged the links between the Gaelic revival and the growing urge to rebel for Irish independence. Here are two of his poems in their own language, Irish, followed by their English translations.
Mise éire, sinne me nan chaileach féra. Mór mo glór, méid ar og cú cholin cróga. Mór mo nair, ma chlan hen da yíl a máhar. Mise éire, ugni me nan chaileach féra.
I am Ireland. I am Ireland, I am older than the old woman of Bear. Great my glory, I that bore Hugh Hullion the valiant. Great my shame, my own children that sold their mother. I am Ireland, I am lonelier than the old woman of Bear.
Fornacht de Hannacú. Fornacht de Hannacú, a aile na haile, is da galas ma húl aglaga stánain. Da cholas da cheall a vinne na binne, is da gunas ma chlúas aglaga glisin. Da vlaises da vél a vilse na milse, is da chrúas ma chrí agla ma vilte. Da galas ma húl is ma chlúas da gunas, da chrúas ma chrí is ma vían da vúchas. Da hugus ma chúl an eisling da chumas, is an ród seo róm mé da hugus. Da hugus ma gnús an ród seo róm, an ngríú da chím, is an más da jód.